Hello class, welcome to week 2. This week we'll be talking about goal setting and financial literacy, some good topics. Before we get started with week 2's activities, I want to talk to you a little bit about some administrative stuff. So every other day or so, you will receive an announcement that gives you some more insight into going to school here at Vista College, or how to complete an assignment or discussion. So in order to look at your your announcements, you just click on announcements and they'll be listed here for you to view. Please pay attention to those announcements because important information is posted in the announcement area. Okay. The other thing I want to talk about is your discussions. You guys are doing a great job. All of you posted some very good initial discussions, but just remember that you need to also respond back to at least 2 other students. It's very critical that you do that. The purpose of the discussion board is for us to engage in conversation about the topics that we're learning about. This expands our opportunity to learn from one another. All of us have different experiences and different ideas about different things that we talk about in our discussion. And it's good to hear from everyone in the class so that we can learn from one another and we can get more ideas about time management or study habits or whatever the topic may be. So it's very important that you share your experiences and that you respond to your peers in the discussion board. And then the other thing I want to talk about is attendance. You need to make sure that you are posting at least 1 time a week. Now, you know you need to post more than that, right? Because you have a discussion board that you need to post, plus the responses, and then at least 2 assignments. But in order to be accounted present in class for the week, you have to post at least once in class. The other thing I want to stress to you, those are the rules, right? But all of you have signed up to go to school because you want to have better opportunities. And the way that you have better opportunities is that you have to put in work, right? You have to be able to be accountable. So attendance is one of those things. You signed up to go to Vista College, so why not attend class? Why not get in class at least once each week? You should get in more than that, but I know that you all have lives and things like that. But if I'm trying to better my life and I want better opportunities, then I have to do better, right? That means I have to submit better work. That means I need to submit all of my work. You know, better doesn't come magically. It comes through work. And so I encourage all of you to get into class and complete your assignments. I was a single parent going to college, raising my daughter by myself, and I did it. I went through and got my master's degree and my bachelor's degree with her, going to school and cutting up and doing all kinds of crazy stuff, but we made it, and now she's a college graduate as well and doing well. It is possible for you to do this, and it is possible for you to have those better opportunities, but also you have to do better and you have to make a better decision. So with that said, I want to see everybody in the discussion board posting by Wednesday, submitting, not just submitting your work, but submitting good work because you want to do better. Okay, so enough about attendance. Let's move into week 2, goal setting and financial literacy. So the objectives for this week is we're going to identify and prioritize your values. We're going to analyze some goals. And remember, last week we talked about creating SMART goals. And you remember they have to be specific and measurable, right? There's a SMART goal guide in your class. Make sure that in your assignments, make sure that you review that and save that so that you know the guidelines to creating SMART goals. Create long-term academic goals, and you're going to create short-term goals. So in last week, you got a little taste of that in assignment 1.2. This week, we're going to dive a little bit deeper into that. You're going to look at your personal values, goal setting, and financial literacy. So you have your two practice exercises that you'll work on, and then you have a video on financial literacy. Setting goals financially is also important because this helps you attain, financial freedom, understanding where your money is going, understanding the value of money and how it works in your life. So it's important that you have a good foundation in financial literacy. And then, of course, we have another discussion board. You'll have a discussion board each week. So get in there and read the discussion board and respond to 2 other students. And then you're going to have 3 assignments this week. Excuse me. Assignment 2.1, you're going to set another academic goal. Don't set the same academic goal that you set last week. Choose a different one. And you're also going to set a career goal. And then you're going to, in assignment 2.2, after you look through the video of financial literacy, you're going to plan a budget. So your budget is going to be based on either what you're making now, or if you're not working, you want to set your budget on what you want to be making when you graduate from school, okay? Or a hypothetical budget, And then assignment 2.3 is just a little career services survey. So once you get into your program, about midway through, you're going to take a course called Professional Strategy. Some of you will. So that course will prepare you for graduation and entering into your career field. So in this survey helps prepare you and us for getting your resume together, for preparing to go out into the work field, interviewing with employers. So your information in the career services survey is very important, not just to you and to awaken you to what's needed when you graduated, entering into the career field, but also it helps us prepare you for graduation and your career. So be sure you complete assignment 2.3. Okay? And that's it for week 2. Remember, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. So you want to pay attention to announcements. Make sure you get into the discussion board and communicate with one another. Add your ideas and your experiences. Answer the questions in the discussion board. Encourage one another in the discussion board. And then, of course, attendance. Remember, keep your mind set on, I have to get in and get my work done. And then, of course, doing your weekly activities. You guys have a great week. I'm looking forward to hearing from all of you.